What are some ethical considerations in deep learning?
Ethical considerations include addressing bias and fairness, ensuring data privacy and security, and considering the societal impacts of AI technologies to promote responsible and inclusive AI development.
How is deep learning applied in healthcare?
Deep learning is applied in healthcare for tasks like medical image analysis, predictive modeling for patient outcomes, drug discovery, and bioinformatics, significantly improving diagnosis and treatment processes.
Describe the role of TensorFlow and PyTorch in deep learning.
TensorFlow and PyTorch are popular deep learning frameworks that provide tools for building, training, and deploying neural networks. They support efficient computation and offer extensive libraries for various deep learning tasks.
What is federated learning?
Federated learning is a technique where multiple devices collaboratively learn a shared model while keeping their data locally, enhancing privacy and security by not sharing raw data with a central server.
What is federated learning?
Quantum computing can potentially revolutionize AI by providing exponential speedups for certain computations, enabling the solving of complex problems that are currently infeasible with classical computers.